Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can create and start a new project in the VS Code application. So let us guide you through this. So in 2026 it works the following way. First guys, you will need to create a folder to save your project on your device. You can do this via VS Code. To do that, navigate to these three lines in the top left corner here in the Explorer. Hover your mouse over File and then choose Open Folder, or use that shortcut Ctrl-K, Control and then this letter here. Then you will get redirected to the folder you have created in the given directory on your device. So as you can see, I've already created this overall folder here for projects inside that folder. So once you're inside the folder, right click, select new folder and then give your project a name. So I will go with project folder 02, press enter and then click into select the given folder and click into this button here, and you will get redirected to the folder within the Explorer here. So now it's time to add files to the given project. For example, to run these codes in the given coding language. So what you want to do is either click into a new file here, or on that button here next to the project folder name, and then give your file a name. So I will go with project file 01 and then dot and then the coding language, which would be Python, so py in this case here. Press enter and now you can create the code here on the right hand side. For example, it's not HTML, but just for the sake of this tutorial, and so on and so forth. Now of course you can run HTML via Python here, but it's just for the sake of this tutorial, guys. So you can add, of course, more files to your folder by clicking into this button, and then let us go now with HTML, project, file, and then HTML. Press enter and you will see also the icon next to it. And here you can now enter your code. Right, so in this case here HTML and so on and so forth. And after that, guys, what you want to do is, for example, if you want to run the given code from the given file, like HTML, for example, in some cases it may be necessary to have extensions installed. So if you're in the given file inside your project, VS Code may give you a notification or send you a notification like this, that there are extensions for the given coding language, but you can also navigate to the extensions library here and look for the given extension to open or to run the given code. Like, I don't know, if it's HTML, you can open it in a browser or via Edge, for example, and so on and so forth. So navigate back to Explorer and yeah, keep adding files to your project folder here. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.